Did you know that you can make a full-time income on YouTube without ever showing your face? In this video, we'll walk you through how people are earning thousands of dollars online, completely behind the scenes. Whether you're shy, camera shy, or simply want to maintain your privacy, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive into it. Meet Sarah, a college student who was looking for ways to make money online, but didn't feel comfortable being in front of the camera. She had a passion for storytelling and a desire for extra income, but her shyness was holding her back from creating content. That's when she discovered a way to leverage YouTube without ever showing her face. Sarah started by exploring niches that didn't require her presence on camera. She stumbled upon channels dedicated to ambient sounds, like rain and nature sounds. These types of channels were perfect because they provided relaxing content without needing any personal footage. So, she decided to create her own relaxing rain sounds channel using royalty-free audio. Using free resources like royalty-free audio clips and stock footage, Sarah was able to produce high-quality videos without any initial investment. Websites like Pixabay, Pexels, and Freesound were invaluable for her content creation process. With just a laptop and some free editing software, she was able to upload her first video. However, the initial excitement soon turned into frustration when her videos didn't gain traction. Sarah was seeing low views and minimal engagement, which can be discouraging for any new creator. But she didn't give up. She knew there was potential if she could figure out how to attract viewers. One of the first things Sarah did to improve her channel was to optimize her video titles and descriptions with popular keywords like deep sleep sounds, study music, and relaxing rain. By using tools like TubeBuddy and Bidig, she identified trending keywords to help her videos show up in search results. Realizing that thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, Sarah invested time in creating eye-catching thumbnails. She learned that using bold text, bright colors, and clear images helped her videos stand out. Thumbnails were crucial in increasing her click-through rate, leading to more views. After a few months of consistent uploads, Sarah started seeing progress. She reached the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours needed to apply for YouTube's monetization program. It was a huge milestone that allowed her to start earning revenue from ads. Once Sarah got approved for AdSense, she began to see her efforts pay off. Even with just a few hundred views per day, the ad revenue started to trickle in. She knew that with time and consistency, this passive income stream could grow. To diversify her content, Sarah started experimenting with animated explicable videos. Using tools like Animaker and Doodly, she created informative videos that required nothing but her voiceover and some basic animations. This allowed her to tap into new audiences. One key element that Sarah added to her channel was voiceovers. Instead of just uploading rain sounds, she began narrating the benefits of using these sounds for sleep, meditation, and relaxation. This added a personal touch to her faceless videos and increased viewer engagement. To mix things up, Sarah started creating top 10 videos on trending topics like top 10 relaxing destinations or top 10 ASMR triggers. These videos performed surprisingly well, bringing in more subscribers and boosting her channel's visibility. Using platforms like Pixabay and Unsplash, Sarah incorporated royalty-free images and video clips into her content. This not only saved her time, but also kept her videos visually interesting without the need for original footage. One thing Sarah learned quickly was the importance of consistency. By sticking to a regular upload schedule, she trained her audience to expect new content at certain times, which helped boost her channel's growth. Even if she only uploaded once a week, consistency was key. Sarah also began paying attention to trends in her niche. By creating content around trending topics, she was able to ride the wave of increased search traffic, gaining more views and subscribers. She used Google Trends and YouTube trending pages to find ideas. Sarah took the time to read comments and respond to her viewers. By engaging with her audience, she not only built a loyal community, but also gained valuable insights into what her viewers wanted to see next. This helped her create content that resonated with her audience. Once Sarah's channel grew, she started adding affiliate links in her video descriptions, promoting products like sleep masks and meditation apps. This allowed her to earn extra income without increasing her workload. Within a year, Sarah's channel hit 100,000 subscribers. She received her silver play button from YouTube, a testament to her hard work. It was proof that even without showing her face, she could achieve success on YouTube. Looking back, Sarah learned that patience, consistency, and listening to her audience were key. It wasn't an overnight success, but by sticking to her niche and refining her strategy, she turned her faceless YouTube channel into a steady source of income. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but felt too shy or private, this is your sign to get started. With the right strategies, you can make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. So why not take that first step today? Your journey to financial independence might just be one video away. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online and growing your YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube journey, check out the links in the description for free resources and tools to help you get started. Leave a comment below with any questions or let us know what type of content you'd like to see next. Now, it's your turn. Go out there, create, and start earning. See you in the next video.